Oral arguments heard in state Supreme Court this afternoon over a judge's decision to toss out a plea deal in the Schoharie limousine crash case. Hussain, the operator of the limousine company involved in the deadly 2018 Schoharie crash, argues that he should have his plea deal restored because he's already completed more than half of the community service hours he's agreed to as a part of that plea deal.
Personally, Nauman's happy that he's able to get out there and help people who are in need. But in this case, that, as we argued with the court, that is something that constitutes detrimental reliance. That is, he had a contract with the court, he did his end of the deal, and he should get his sentence as he agreed early on.
Lawyers for Judge Peter Lynch, who tossed out the plea deal last year, say that they disagree with that argument.
When you're talking about the legal standard of when somebody has done things under a plea bargain that entitles them to their plea bargain sentence, we're talking about considerable risk or sacrifice. And in the context of this case, which everyone is pretty much aware was a really extremely horrific case, is 572 hours of community service. Is that really a considerable sacrifice in the context of what happened here?
The plea deal would have allowed Hussain to avoid prison time. If the deal is not restored, a criminal trial is expected to start in May.